Hello, it's Andy Bartlett, and I'm just going to go over a short video on Microsoft Excel. And this has to deal with making a histogram, which is pretty much for statistics. And what I have out here, I have a generic numbers, and I have my bins. And I'll explain to you what goes on here. So as far as I have my, Excel will automatically print this out. So pretty much if you just know what to put in, it'll print that right out. And I will show you on how to make this and what all this means. All right, let's begin. All right, so I'm back here, and so what we basically have here is for the histogram, what it displays is, let's say, how many times between this number, whatever the number is, it could be test scores, you name it, how many times will all these numbers, let's say, being in a category between 0 and 50, 100 to 150, and so forth. So basically, yeah, there was no mentions of basically 100. The highest went up to 150. There was 5 of it. So let's say 100 between 150. So there's, yeah, right here. 146, pretty close. So anyways, but all right, so if you were to even go to the calculator and show you what happens with the cumulative percentage, it's pretty much an average. So we're going to go 5 plus, see, what I'm adding is just these numbers right here. So 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 equals 22. Now, if we're going to, so we're just, let's use this one for example. There's 5. So let's say 5 divided by 22 equals, so there you go, 22, well, 0.2272, so it rounded up to 73. So 72.7 is pretty much repeating. So 22%, 22.73%. Okay, let's try it with, figure this out. Let's say, oh, all right. All right, and it just keeps going on further. It tallies up. All right. So now, how we make this is pretty simple. I'll make this on another page. So let's just say numbers 2. Okay. Increase it, and let's go equals, bring in between, let's say numbers between 50 and 600. Pretty big range. Enter. Well, let's just go up to, so you can at least see it. Let's go to 22. All right. Control C. And we're going to do a special paste because I don't like seeing the formulas in here. Make sure it's all out. Yep. All right. Escape out. All right, there we go. All right, now let's make our bins. So we did, what was it, 50 to 600. So let's type in bin. All right, 50, 100. You can do whatever increments you want. And let's stretch this further, 50. We're going to 600. Let's go to 700. Well, 650 just in case. 600. There we go. All right, so what you're going to do from here is you're going to go to your data tab. All right, if you don't have this analysis printing already, you have to add that. Pretty much you go to your file, options. Like I showed in previous videos, you're going to go to your add-ins. Click on it. And, all right, so analysis tool pack, we already have it. Pretty much you would go to the go section right here and add whatever you want. Okay, we already have the tool pack. There you go. All right, so now we're going to go back to here, data analysis, and histogram. Okay, now I already had some information earlier. Delete that. This. And now I'm clicking, we have labels. So, all right, your input range is what you're putting into your numbers. All right, scroll way down, there you go. In your bin range. We have labels because, you know, let's put a label over here. Okay. And output range. Normally I put it in, you can put in another worksheet, for the sake of everything, I kind of like leaving the stuff right where it's at. Let's put it right here. And we're going to put a chart output, and we're putting a cumulative percentage, which is what we had earlier. Hit OK, and there we go. Let's increase. Is everything right? There we go. There's your bin. And of course you can increase. There we go. And change parameters, change things. Let's make that more. Let's put access. I forget that. Anyways, but yeah, that's pretty much about it. And you can change how it looks, and oh yeah, we got 3 of them now. All right, well, hope you liked the video. Let me know in the description what you thought about it. So, all right, have a great time, and I'll catch you next time. Hello, it's Andrew Bartlett, the owner and operator of databasecontrols.com, and thank you so very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, put in your comments, ask any questions you need. Again, you can contact me with the information listed. And thank you so very much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you again.